Hey everybody, I'm Corey.
And I'm Dana.
And what should we do for the next 14 days?
Why don't we go on a cruise?
We're on the game. Almost on the ship.
Going straight to the room.
Straight to the room.
At the Mustard Drill.
At the Mustard Drill.
We are in the Sapphire Dining Room on 4th floor, which is B4.
Before.
And if you didn't know, the number to your muster station is the floor that you will actually be on for the drill. So we're B4, we're on the 4th floor in the Sapphire Dining Room.
Now at this time, our very attractive guest muster station personnel will now demonstrate the correct and proper way to wear your life jacket. Step number 1, place the life jacket over your head with the reflection stripes facing outward.
Tried our luck in the casino.
We're the one sit machine.
What?
The one sit machine.
They ain't got no one sit machines in here.
I can't change this. You know this is 80 cents every time you play it.
That's alright. We're here to lose money anyway, so it doesn't really even matter. I got something.
Instant stack awarded.
I got an instant stack. We are getting ready to check out the Cloud 9 spa. Steam room. You probably can't even see me. Can you see me now? Feels good. Steam room. So we're in the thermal suite area of the spa. About 8 loungers in here. They're all heated tile loungers. Very nice, relaxing.
7. I thought that was weird.
Oh, is it 7? That's 8?
Yeah.
7?
3 and 4.
Oh, okay, there's only 7 loungers in here. Very nice. Oh, there's a hot tub. Our own private hot tub.
Outside, so we have air.
So the knob right here is broken. What do you think?
This will work.
Great job, y'all.
Get it. Yeah.
They saw us or not. Okay guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know every time we post a new video. We got a ton more content coming. Carnival Breeze.